Now the next 19 kgs 864 grams from. So from this we should subtract this. Here kgs and grams given. First we should write kg and after that grams. Then how many kgs from number we should take first? 75 kgs 380 grams, then 19 kg 864 grams. 864 grams. Okay. Now subtract. 0 minus for extreme right digit we cannot minus. So borrow from here. It will decrease by 1. Here it will increase by 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 6. So these are the consecutive numbers. The difference is 1. 3 minus 8. Again we cannot make minus. So borrow from here. You will get 4 here. You will get 13 here. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 means 9 to 13 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 5. Again 4 minus 9 we cannot make minus. Take borrow from here, you will get 6 here and here 14. 14 minus 9 it means 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. 55 kg 516 grams. Okay. Now the next here. So in performance time A, multiplication and division. So multiplication division sums we are going to do. So see here 10 kilometers 250 meters by 7, multiply by 7. First 10 kilometers, after that leave some space and write 250 millimeters. Kilometers and meters. 10 kilometers 250 meters, multiply by 7. Now we multiply with 7. So first 7 with 0, 7 zeros are 0, that you take in ones place. Then 7 fives are 35, 35 means 5 in tens place and 3 we should take carry over on hundreds place of a meter. Now 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 3, 15, 16, 17. 7 and 1 we should take carry over on next digit of a kilometer, that is ones digit of a kilometer. Now 7 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So that you take in kilometers place. 7 ones are 7 0 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. Now so 1 with 7. 1 sevens are 7. So it is 71 kilometers 750 meters. Now the next 95 kg 870 grams we should multiply with 9. 95 kgs and some gap 870 grams, multiply by 9. Now multiply with 9. First 9 zeros are 0, 0 in ones place of a gram. Then 9 sevens are 63, 3 in tens place of a gram and 6 we should take carry over on next digit of a grams. 9 eights are 72, 72 plus 6 78. 8 is in hundreds place of a gram, next 7 is next place of a kilogram. Next 9 fives are 45, 45 plus 7 52, 2 in units place of a kilogram and 5 on tens place of a gram. 9 nines are 81, 81 plus 5 86. 862 kilograms and 830 grams. So this is the product. Now 25 meters 85 centimeters, 85 centimeters. Then first, so 25 meters and gap 85 centimeters, multiply by 12. So direct we should multiply with 12. 12 fives are 60. 60 means 0 in ones place of a centimeter and 6 next place, tens place of a centimeter. 12 eights are 96. 12 eights are 96 plus 6. 96 plus 6. So 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 101, 102, 102. 102 means 2 here and 10 here. Then 12 5s are 12 5s are 60, 60 plus 10 70, 70 means 0 in ones place and 7 we should take carry over on tens place of a meter. Now 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 7 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31, 310 meters, 20 centimeters. This is the product. This is the product. Okay. Now, 17 liters, 675 meters multiply by 15. Multiply by 15. Now, 17 liters and leave some space. 675 milliliters. Here milliliters. These are milliliters. Okay. Now, this multiply with 15. Now, multiply with 15 direct. 15 5s are 75. 5 in ones place and 7 we should take it on tens place. 15 sevens are 105. 15 sevens are 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112. 112 means 2 in tens place and 11 on hundreds place. 12 5s are 60, 60 plus 11 71, 71 means 1 here and 7 in liters of a units place. Then 15 5s are 15 7s are 105, again same 105 plus 7 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 12 2 here and 1 11 here 112. 15 ones are 15 plus 11 26, 262 liters, 125 milliliters, 125. See here students, once you check 15 5s are 75 and 7. 15 7s are 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112. 112 means 11 here. 15 6s are 90, 90 plus 11, 90 plus 11. So 101, 101 means 1 here and here you will get 10. You will get 10 here. 15 7s are 105. So 105 plus 10, 115. 115 here 15 here 11. Okay. 15 ones are 15, then 11, 265 liters, 125 milliliters. Okay. This is the answer. Now see here, divide 3982 kgs divided by 500. So 3982 kgs 592 grams. Divide with 32. Divide with 32. See here, first kgs part we should take first. 3982. After that gap 592 grams. So divide with 32. 32. Now how to divide? First you should take two digits 39 with 32. 32 ones are 32. Then minus 9 minus 2 is 7. The next digit we should copy. Then 32 twos are is 64. 32 twos are 64. Then minus 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 6 is 1. So next digit we should copy. 32 fours are 128. 32 fours are 128. Then minus. Borrow 13. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. The next grams digit we are taking. So grams digit is 5. So here also we should write in grams now. 13 5s are. No, 13 5s are not possible. 13 4s are only. 13 4s are 128. 128. Now 5 minus 8 we cannot make minus here. 4 here 15. 15 minus 8 7. Then 4 minus 2 2 27. The next digit 9. 279. So 32 8s are 8 2s are 16. It is a 24 25. 256. 32 8s are 256. 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 2 0. Then after that 2. Then 32 into 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 and 19. 7. 7 2s are 14, 21, 22. 22. Now see here students, here we copied, here 2 is there, so here we copied 3, so here 2, we should get 2 here, okay, 2 not 3 here, here 12, 12 minus 8, 12 minus 8 that is 4, here you will get 3, okay, so 3 minus 2 is 1, here 179. So, when you will get 179 in 32, 32 5s are, 5 2s are 10, 1 5 is 16, 5s are, 32 5s are 160, now this is 9 and this is 1, then after that 2, 192, then 32 6s are, 32 6s are, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 19, 6 are 192. It means 124 kg 556 grams, 456 grams, 124 kg 456 grams, okay. Now the next one, so 854 meters and 33 centimeters divides with 37. 37. Now 37, and here also we should take 2 digits, 37 2s are 74, 37 2s are 74, okay. Now minus 5 minus 4 1, 8 minus 7 1 and 4. So, next digit we should copy the next 114. In 37 table when you will get 114, 37 3s are, 3 7s are 21, 3s are 9, 10, 11. That is 3s are, 37 3s are 111, then minus 3. Now, if we copy the next one, that is 3. So, this is our centimeters part, then whatever the quotient will come, so that centimeters we should take. Here 33 is less than this 37, again we should copy one more digit. If 2 digits at a time means we should keep 0 in centimeters, and 333, 37 9s are, 9 7s are 63, 6, 9 is 27, 28, 29, 30, 33, 9s are 333. The answer is 23 meters 9 centimeters. So, answer is quotient. Quotient is our answer. So, that is 23 meters 9 centimeters. Okay. Now, here kilograms and grams, 206 kg and 335 grams divided with 29. Then 29 here, so if you take 2 digits, So then here 20. 20 is less than 29. So it means we should take 3 digits at a time. 206. 206 into 8. 29. 29 into 8. 8 9 is 72. 7. 8 2 is 16. 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7. It is more than. Then once you check 7s are. 7 9s are 63 and 6. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 6, 20 means 203. 7s are 203. Then minus 6 minus 3, 3. Then now grams 33. Then in grams place 29 ones are 29. Here 13, here 2, here 4 you will get. Then 43. Again it is ones are 29. 43 minus 29. Here 13, here 3, here 4, here 1, again 5, 145, 29 5s are, 29 5s are, 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 14, 5s are 145. So, the quotient is our answer. Quotient, that is 7 kg 115 grams. This is our answer. Here more one question is there in this bit, that more one question do as your home assignment. Now students, in what problem? So the first problem is, so Reena father had a special cake baked for her birthday, so which weight 5 kgs 870 grams. The weight of a cake is 5 kg 870 grams. In that 4 kg 370 grams of it was consumed, means they ate 4 kg 370 grams. In this total weight, total cake weight, so 4 kg 370 grams of a cake consumed. So then how much cake was left over? Then how much cake was left, he is asking. In the total cake weight, then how much they consumed, that we subtract. Then you will get how much cake left over. Okay, here solution. Total cake weight, total cake weight, that is 5 kg 870 grams. This is about kgs, this is about grams. Then cake consumed means they ate. That is 4 kg 370 grams they consumed. Then cake left over. Cake left over. So what to do? Subtract. Subtract from total weight to consumed weight. Then how to subtract? The extreme right digit we subtract first in grams, that is units place of a gram. 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 is 5. Then 5 minus 4 is 1. Then 1 kg 500 grams of a cake is left over. 1 kg 500 grams of a cake is left over. Okay. Now see here. So Tannu took a part in 100 meters flat race. She fell down after running 85 meters 20 centimeters. So then after running 85 meters 20 centimeters, she fell down. So then how much distance left, he is asking. Left means subtract. The total running race is 100 meters running race. So in that 85 meters 20 centimeters she run, and after that she fell down. Then how much distance left means subtract from total distance. Running race distance. That is 100 meters. 100 meters. Here there is no centimeter, means in the centimeters place we keep 2 zeros. So why we keep 2 zeros? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So that is why only 2 digits will come in centimeter. So this is in meters, this is centimeter. Then distance Tanu runs. How much distance she runs? 85 meters 20 centimeters. Distance left. Distance left means subtract minus. Extreme right digit we should subtract first. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 0 minus 2 we cannot make minus. So here also 0, here also 0. We should take borrow from here. If you take borrow from here, so here you will decrease by 1, here you will increase by 10. Again if you take borrow from here, it will decrease by 1, here will increase by 10. If you take borrow from here, it will decrease by 1, here will increase by 10. Now 10 minus 2, 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 8 is 1. 14 meters 80 centimeters distance is left over. This much distance is left. Okay. Now next word problem. One chocolate weight is given 20 grams. 20 grams. One chocolate weight 20 grams. Then how many chocolates can be kept in box of 1 kg? In 1 kg, how many such 20 grams chocolates can be kept? Okay. First of all, 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1 kg is equal to how many grams? That is 1000 grams make a kg. Then 1 chocolate weight. 1 chocolate weight is equal to 20 grams. Number of chocolates. Number of chocolates can be kept in 1 kg box. 1 kg box is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg means 1000 grams divided by 20 grams. The total 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. This 1000 grams divided with this 20 grams. Now 20 divided by 1000. 25 is 100. 25 is 100. Then this 0. 20 zeros are 0. How many chocolates can be kept? 50 chocolates. 50 chocolates can be kept. 50 can be kept in 1 kg box. 1 kg box. Okay. Now see here, next problem. A garden is 3 kilometers 420 meters long. Then how many marigold can be planted? So at an interval of 15 meters. 15 meters. So the distance between one plant to other plant is 15 meters. If we keep 15 meters, 15 meters, 15 meters gap, then how many marigold plants can be planted? Okay. First of all, so the total garden length, so kilometers and meter is given, so that we should convert into meters first. After converting into meters, total length, after getting total length of a garden in meters, so we should divide that with 15 meters. Then you will get how many marigold plant can be planted, so in that length. Okay. Now garden length. Garden length is equal to 3 kilometers 420 meters. First we should convert this 3 kilometers 20 meters into meters. 3 kilometers 3 into 1000. So 3 into 1000 plus 420. 3 into 1000 3000 plus 420, that is 3420 meters. 3420 meters. Number of plants, marigold plants. Which plants? Marigold plants can plant so with 15 meters interval is equal to 3420 divided by 15 divided by 15. So, then 15 divides 3420, 15 2s are 30, then 4, again next 15 2s are 30, then 2 minus 0, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, the next is 0, 15 15's 8s are 120, then 228 plants can be planted. How many plants? 228 plants can be planted. Okay. The next question. A bottle can fill 300 ml of a Limca. So, 300 milliliters of a Limca. So, how many bottles will be required for a 24 liters of Limca? So, liters of Limca. So, here 24 liters given. First, that liters we should convert into milliliters. After converting into milliliters, so in one bottle 300 ml Limca is there. In total this much capacity, how many bottles can be prepared? So, that means the total converting after converting 24 milliliters into liters. So, milliliters into liters. So, we should divide the total quantity of Limca with unit quantity of a Limca, that is 300. 24,000 we should divide with 300. Then how many number of bottles can we prepare? So, that you will get. Okay. 24 liters is equal to 24 into 1000. Why? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, that is 24,000 milliliters. In 24,000 milliliters of Limca, number of 300 milliliters of Limca bottles can be prepared, can be made. Okay, that is 24,000 divided by 300. 24,000 divided by 300. 24,000 divided by 300. 3 8s are 24, 2 zeros. Then here 1 0 is there. 300 zeros are 0. Then 80 bottles. How many bottles? 80 bottles we can prepare. 80 bottles we can prepare. Okay. We prepare 80 bottles. 80 bottles we can prepare. Okay. The next, a tailor uses 2 meters 20 centimeters of a cloth for a shirt. So, for one shirt 2 meters 20 centimeters of a cloth is required. Then how long cloth is required for 18 shirts? One shirt quantity is given and 18 shirts quantity he is asking. That means we should multiply. So, cloth needs for one shirt, 1 is equal to 2 meters 20 centimeters. Cloth required for 18 shirts. 18 is equal to 2 meters 20 centimeters with 18. Multiply with 18. Now 18 zeros are 0, 18 twos are 36, 18 twos are 36, 6 in tens place of a centimeter and 3 here. 18 twos are 36, 37, 38, 39, 39 in meters, 39 meters 60 centimeters. This much cloth we need. Okay.